in the south sacristy of the cathedral. If you look carefully, you have the guys applying the lime mortar finisher to the walls. Alright, that gives it its original look, like how it was when the church first opened. Right, they used lime originally, so we're just restoring the church to its original condition. So now they're putting the finisher, well, applying the finisher to the walls. There are different mixes for the lime mortar, right? In order to get the different textures and tones, right? So this is one type of mix here. And you have another mix that you would use for, if you look right under, which is called the scratch coat. So it's different types of mix. All right, and another mix to go on the outside to withstand the weather and for the architect's specifications and so forth. Now we are outside watching our tradesmen again removing the Portland cement from the limestone. This is the Portland cement in the joints. So what Ned is doing, that is the guy removing the Portland. He is removing the Portland until he reaches the lime, which is a little further, about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches beneath the Portland cement. Right? So he has to remove the Portland cement in this area as well as on the fire blocks, on the fire stones. We have a special tool that we use, and we're going to take out the Portland cement. The Portland cement is what made serious harm to the structure, to the building, to the church. That is the reason why we are here, one of the reasons why we are here. So we have one of the workmen removing the Portland cement in order for us to use the lime mortar in the joints. So right now we are to the back of the cathedral building. Why we are here is to show you the general area from outside on the roadway. All right? What you're looking at here is the lower portion of the building that has been chipped. The Portland cement has been removed, and above you have the area where the guys have started applying the lime mortar in the joints. Right? This process is what we call pointing. Right? We would use the lime mortar on a special tool to get into the joints of the block, right? In that same space where the Portland cement was removed. What you're looking at here is one of the more completed areas on the church externally. You have the galvanized sheeting at nave height, and the clear story wall. You could see the difference. If you look at the south tower itself, you will see the difference in tone. And if you look at the clear story wall, where you're looking at the rose windows, you'd also see the difference in the tone as well. All the glass are in. That is 100% complete. The wall is completely pointed. That is also 100% complete, including columns. All right, so we're on target so far for May 2015.